Hello everyone. Today we are discussing an important mineral and its connection to prostate health. A Dutch study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute suggests that getting enough selenium in your diet can significantly lower the risk of developing a fatal form of prostate cancer. This is particularly relevant because many people consume less selenium than nutritionists recommend. The research was part of the Netherlands cohort study, a large project that followed nearly 60,000 men. These men were between 55 and 69 years old when the study began in 1986. Researchers tracked their health for 17 years and measured the amount of selenium in their toenails, which reflects long-term intake of the mineral. The results showed a clear link between selenium levels and prostate cancer. Men with more selenium in their toenails had a much smaller chance of developing a severe form of the disease. Severe prostate cancer was defined as stage 3, where the tumor has spread to the organ's outer layer, or stage 4, where the cancer has spread to other parts of the body. This information is actionable because the relationship between selenium and cancer risk is U-shaped. This means both too little selenium and too much selenium can increase health risks. The goal is to stay within an optimal range to get the protective benefits without experiencing negative effects from excessive intake. Previous research, called the Nutritional Prevention of Cancer Trial, supports this U-shaped model. That study found selenium supplements only reduced cancer risk in men who started with low selenium levels, specifically those with plasma concentrations below 122 micrograms per liter. Men who already had high levels did not see a benefit and showed a slight, non-significant increase in risk. The Dutch study's findings fit perfectly within this beneficial range. The selenium levels in the participants were estimated to be equivalent to plasma levels between 64 and 100 micrograms per liter. This confirms that the men in the study were in a group that would benefit from additional selenium, placing them on the upward slope of the U-shaped curve, where more intake leads to lower risk. To apply this knowledge, you can focus on dietary sources of selenium. Brazil nuts are an excellent source, but you should eat them in moderation, with just 1 or 2 nuts per day providing a sufficient amount. Other good sources include seafood, organ meats, muscle meats, cereals, and whole grains, which can help you maintain a healthy selenium level without overconsumption. The key takeaway is that maintaining an adequate selenium level is associated with a substantially lower risk of advanced prostate cancer. The evidence shows there is an optimal intake range, so balance is crucial. The Dutch study highlights that for populations with lower selenium intake, increasing consumption through diet can be a protective health strategy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.